Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Apple has just introduced the all-new MacBook Neo, and one of the most exciting things about it is the beautiful new color lineup. Citrus. First up, we have the Citrus MacBook Neo. This is the most vibrant color in the lineup. It has a bright green-yellow tone that really stands out and gives the MacBook Neo a fresh, fun, and energetic look. If you like bold colors, this one is definitely Blush. Next is Blush. This is a soft pink shade that looks very stylish and elegant. It's subtle and not too bright, giving the MacBook Neo a modern and premium feel while still being unique. Indigo. Then we have Indigo. This is a deep bluish-purple color that looks bold and sophisticated. It's perfect if you want something different from traditional laptop colors, while still keeping a premium look. Silver. And finally, we have the classic Silver. This is the timeless MacBook color that looks clean, professional, and minimal. If you prefer the traditional Apple design, Silver is always a safe and elegant choice. So these are the 4 MacBook Neo colors: Citrus, Blush, Indigo, and Silver. Let me know in the comments which one is your favorite.